Hi everyone. So this video is going to show you how to reset your Twitter password. Again, as always, I rather you would go to your desktop versus trying to do things through your mobile phone. The desktop versions and social sites always give you a little bit more features and a little bit more options. So in this case, we are in the desktop version of Twitter. And as you can see, we're in the login section. And of course, mine is populated in there. We don't want anybody most likely people will not have that. So if you have forgotten your password, it's very simple. You simply, in the login information, see this little shadowy verbiage, forgot password, click it, and it will set you up to do your password reset. So you can enter your phone number, your email, or your username. Now, if you don't have your phone number and you don't have your email address, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to get into your Twitter account. Not impossible, but the process is going to be longer. So make sure that when you do a password reset, you have access to the phone that you used to probably load the app. It's probably when they asked you, or the email address that you used to create your Twitter account. Hope this helps. Thanks very much.